Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Roblox account without password or email. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to search in Google roblox.com/login, and once you are on this page, you simply need to click on forgot password or username, and you have two options, password and username. You simply need to click on use phone number to reset password. So you must select your country and enter your phone number and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will receive a code from Roblox. Once you enter 6-digit code here, Roblox will allow you to reset your password, but it is only possible if you enter your number or attach your number with Roblox. Once you attach your number with Roblox, you can easily recover your account with the help of your number. So this is a process by which you can recover Roblox account without password or email. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.